Welcome back to Latest Cars Info, your go-to destination for the hottest updates and reviews from the automotive world. Today we bring you something truly powerful and luxurious, the 2026 BMW X6M, a high-performance SUV that redefines speed, style, and presence. This is not just another SUV. It's a statement of dominance on the road. From the moment you see it, the 2026 BMW X6M commands attention. The bold coupe-SUV silhouette is sharper and more athletic than ever before. The massive kidney grille now features an illuminated surround, giving it an aggressive look even at night. Sleek laser headlights, redesigned bumpers, and aerodynamic lines create a perfect blend of elegance and intimidation. BMW has given the X6M a sportier stance with wider wheel arches and massive 22-inch alloy wheels that make it look ready to pounce at any moment. Under the hood, the magic truly happens. The 2026 BMW X6M is powered by a re-engineered 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 635 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an updated 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, sending power to all four wheels through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The result is breathtaking performance to 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. And with a top speed of 180 miles per hour, this machine doesn't just move, it dominates. Handling is where the X6M truly surprises. Despite its size, it feels agile and responsive thanks to adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and M Sport differential. The steering is precise, giving you confidence whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising at high speeds on the highway. The adjustable drive modes, from Comfort to Sport Plus, allow you to tailor the experience, transforming the X6M from a luxury cruiser to a track-inspired performance beast with the push of a button. Step inside, and the cabin is a world of sophistication and cutting-edge technology. Premium merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and some specific stitching create an environment that's both luxurious and sporty. The latest curved display stretches seamlessly across the dashboard, combining a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and a massive infotainment touchscreen. BMW's iDrive 9 system offers lightning-fast responsiveness, intuitive navigation, and wireless smartphone integration. The X6M is also packed with features to keep you comfortable and connected. Ventilated and heated seats, a premium Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, ambient lighting with customizable colors, and even a panoramic glass roof all come standard. Every element inside is designed to make driving a pleasure, whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride as a passenger. Safety and driver assistance features are at the forefront of the 2026 by 6 meters. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and advanced collision prevention systems. BMW has also introduced its latest semi-autonomous driving technology, allowing the SUV to handle certain driving tasks on its own, perfect for long trips or heavy traffic. The exhaust note is pure music for enthusiasts. In sport mode, the V8 growls with an aggressive tone that turns heads everywhere, while in comfort mode, it quiets down for a refined, relaxing drive. This dual personality makes the X6M not just a performance SUV, but an everyday luxury vehicle that fits any mood or occasion. The 2026 BMW X6M isn't just about numbers. It's about emotion, presence, and the feeling it gives you when you're behind the wheel. It combines the practicality of an SUV with the heart of a sports car, wrapped in an unmistakably bold design. For those who demand power, luxury, and style in one package, the new X6M delivers it all, and more.